Hello! Today, let's learn how to use breakout rooms in BBB to have conversations with your classmates. So first, the teacher will create a breakout room. The teacher will choose the time limit, maybe 5 minutes, maybe more. Today's breakout room will be 4 minutes. The teacher will create the room now. So you can see a blue button, Kaigishitsu ni sanka. Please click that button and then click the mic button and sound test OK. All right, and now you are in a breakout room. On the left, you can see the users. On the top, you can see the breakout room tab. To the left is the main BBB room. So it does not close. Okay, let's go back to the breakout room. All right, so in the breakout room, on the main page, maybe there will be some questions the teacher gives you. Please use the questions to have a conversation. For example, uh, what is your favorite class and why? My favorite class is English. English is really fun, and the teacher is super cool and funny. Oh, interesting. Oh, I like English too. Okay, so you can use the questions to have a conversation. Also, you can share videos and pictures. In the bottom, there is a plus sign. Please click the plus. Let's see, presenta ni naru. Okay, so here you can see a button for videos. Let's do that. I have a YouTube video I copied. I want to talk about it with my classmates. All right, so here are my cats. I really love cats, and I have two cats. Saku, and this is Sui-chan, so cute. You have cats? I don't like cats. I'm a dog person. Yeah, dogs are good. You don't like cats, but look, so cute. Yes, very cute. All right, so you can talk about your videos. After you're finished, click the plus button and delete the video. All right, you can also upload pictures. Click the plus button and upload, and then fairu sagasu. All right, here's a picture, and then at the top, upload. Okay, here is a picture from my garden. You can see two frogs. You really like animals, don't you? Yes, yes, I love animals. So you can talk about pictures too. If you want to go back to the question page, click the plus, click presentation upload, and then so the frog picture, genzai, garbage can, sayonara, circle, and upload, kakunin. All right, and back to the questions. So this is how you can use breakout room to have a conversation with your classmates. And please look at the top. You can see the time limit. So we have about 15 seconds left before this room will close automatically and go back to the main room. 4, 3, oh, there we go. So please click the mic. And yes, and you are back in the main room. All right, please enjoy using breakout rooms to have conversations with your classmates. See you later.